Yeah, I think it's important to get the vaccine because I think that's the only way to, you know, to get past this pandemic, in other words. And I think I encourage everybody to, consider getting the vaccine. What it feels like is first of all, personally, I could not wait to get the vaccine for staying safe, But the second thing is if I can in any way let getting the first vaccine be an example for others to get it, then I definitely want to do that. I'm looking at it as hope. I'm looking at it as something that's going to be something that of the past, similar to other things like this, other pandemics that we've had, and getting past them. My reaction was, I'm ready and I'll be there because not only, that I think getting the vaccine is important to stay safe, but, having it here at Duke is, an institution like Duke, I felt much more comfortable about taking the second dose. The experience this past year for me has been to follow all the rules, wearing a mask and, social distancing and staying home. Being retired, I had an advantage, to stay home more and I took advantage of that. But, I've been paying close attention to, what the medical experts are saying and trying to follow those rules to stay safe. Yeah, I've experienced the skepticism, because everybody wants to, we know that there was trial, but everybody want to wait and see, whether, there are some long-term effects. And I've talked a lot to my family members about the pros and cons, of, what if you don't get it? What are the consequences versus getting it? And that's been my way of trying to encourage them that, when you weigh all the options, the best option is to get it. And for me, I think, the more people that get it, I expect these curves, to go down. And that's what I'm looking for, It tells me that, we are getting the pandemic under control.